You want to hold it? No, eat it. Eat it. Oh, oh. Okay. You have to put it in your mouth, honey. Gigi. Thank you. Neither of us are very good at this, are we? Here. Let's eat the Jell-O. Here you go. Okay. Here you go. Is that yummy? Good job, baby. You want more? Oh, okay. Yeah, it dropped. All of it dropped down. Okay, here you go. You can't hold it upright though. Gigi. You are a good girl. Yep, that's the bite. Let me see that. Oh, yeah, you are a good girl. Here you go. Gigi, stop. Here, you want me to put some more food on there? Okay, hold on. Here you go. Don't hold. There you go. Good job. See, there's still more in here. Here you go. Good job, Gigi. Is that yummy? Is that good? Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. You want more? Okay.